Hey guys, how's it going? This is Xpotics. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. So this is a upcoming video that I'm going to be doing. A couple parts are not here yet. I ordered a bunch of parts on eBay and Amazon. It's going to be a build that I'm going to be selling. But so this is a Cooler Master. I'll have like all the information in the other video, so make sure you subscribe so you see all of it, and the build video and then performance testing. So this case right here with these dust, like magnetic dust filtration right here, you got a bunch of holes and stuff. So venting, I think as long as these are, they have a bunch of holes in them and stuff that you can see through them. Balls, you can see through them. So I think the airflow will be really nice. I have a bunch of fans right there. I'll have to figure out which ones go to this. And so it's going to have an FX 6300 in it, and an R9 390, and 16 gigs of DDR3 1600 megahertz RAM that are going to be RGB heat sinks on them, and RGB strips as well. And what else? Oh yeah, blue and black and gray cable extensions for the graphics card, CPU, and 24 pin. I think there's some other ones too, but yeah, it's gonna look really nice. For a cheap PC, it's gonna be about $350. Altogether, plus a Windows key and everything like that, is like $330, and my time, a little bit of my time, not much, just like $20 extra, pretty much. So 750 watt, and I'm all like comparing with eBay prices or lower. So EVGA Supernova 750 G2, so it can power everything nicely, and it's gonna have a 250 gig SSD along with a 750 gig hard drive, 80 gig, and a 500 gig. I could be wrong. It's going to equal a little more than a terabyte of total storage, with like 3 drives or so. Yep. But yeah, I'm still waiting for a couple components, but yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, like I said, and yeah, it'll be cool. All right, peace.